Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today I am in my living room upstairs because I wanted to bring you guys a home decor. I've been buying tons and tons of home decor stuff. One, mainly to finish my living room downstairs, and two, because I really wanted to redo my living room upstairs. So if you enjoy this type of content, definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, more like lifestyle content, and give me a thumbs up so I know that you enjoy it. I hope we are in focus. I am sitting in front of a window, so all the light is natural, and it's super gloomy outside. It's like windy. It was raining outside last night, so the weather is a little bit unpredictable today. So I hope the lighting is not too bad, and if it is, I am so sorry, and I hope I'm in focus because this camera is the worst. I do not like it. Anyways, let's go ahead and start with today's home decor haul. All right, you guys, so let's start off with those are my dogs outside. I have bought tons of stuff, mainly from Target. I have some Pinterest pins. If you guys want to follow me on there, I have like a board where I just kind of create my ideas of what I want my kitchen and my living room, upstairs, my room, bathrooms, everything to look like. And my taste always changes, which is such a bad thing. My sister always tells me, she's like, it's a never-ending thing with you, right? I'm like, it really is. So first things first, I mentioned this little book that I got from Laura Mercier, and it's actually not a book, it's an agenda, but it is just so stunning and has this beautiful like drawing of a face, and it says 22 agenda, excuse me, Laura Mercier, and it's just the perfect off cream color. And obviously I'm not going to use it for writing purposes. I'm using it for home decor purposes. I will be inserting clips of how I've decided to set everything up. And again, I do get tons of inspiration from Pinterest because I am not personally like a super creative person. So I do need a little help from Pinterest, and Pinterest definitely helps. Up next is a little serving tray. This one is actually from Walmart, and this one was pretty affordable compared to all the other serving trays that I've seen. This one is humongous, as you can see. I mean, technically you can use it. Actually, no, this is not a serving tray. I think it was under a serving tray, but it says not for food items or something like that. So it's strictly for decorative purposes. And I love this one. I think it has the measurements here. Wood mantle tray. Okay, it doesn't have the size, but of course in the description box I will try to link everything that I can find. This one is really pretty. It has a gorgeous like light wood color, and then it has the black handles all around it, and that's kind of like the color that I'm going for now. My kitchen is white and gray, but my appliances are black as well, so I figured I would add touches of black into my living room since I do have such a big open space and I have tons of natural lighting. I felt like the black would like add a nice contrast and it wouldn't make it look so dark. Bought this one and I really liked it. I originally bought it for the side in my kitchen where I have my coffee because I am going to like decorate that super cute. I just been really neglecting my house, especially because I don't know, I think I just felt like my house is so new that I didn't need much, but it definitely needs a little touch of love. But after that, I also got this huge vase from Target as well. This one was also $25, and this one is really big. It's like in off cream color and off white. It's beautiful, and I actually have some pampas on their way to my home. I don't know when they will get delivered. I think they'll be here sometime this week, but as soon as I get those, I will update it on like Instagram or something, take some cute pictures and show you guys what it looks like. So love this vase. They did have another one that I originally wanted, but they were sold out, and I checked everywhere. I went to a few different Targets and they did not have it, so I went with this one, which it doesn't look too bad. And I'm thinking of just placing it on top of the tray and then adding some extra decor. From Walmart, I also saw this really cute sign. It's black and cream. I guess that's like a really trendy color right now. And as you can see, it's a sign. It says a goodbye, and then you can switch it and flip it, and it says hello. Really cute, just very like inviting. I forgot to take off the tag from here. Maybe I can take it off. maybe not, but I also put this on top of the tray, and I do have the book, which is this one on the bottom. Yesterday I went to Target and they had the cutest little dish towels, and I've been needing some cute little dish towels. This one says, "You are my happy place," and it's all black, and then it came with this black one. I am the worst at buying kitchen towels, so I decided to pick these up, and it has a cute little tassels on the bottom. This was like $5 or something like that, which is not bad at all. And then from Walmart, I also saw this little coffee o'clock, and this one was perfect for my little coffee station. I don't have it fully set up yet, so I'm not going to include that in today's video, but once it's done, again, make sure you're following me on Instagram so I can post pictures and update you guys, and maybe you can get some inspiration from there. But this one was like $10, under $10, maybe 12 bucks. It's really cute, and again, it's just perfect with the colors that I'm going with, black with touches of cream. So I thought that one was really, really cute. And then this one I actually bought it from HomeGoods. This one was $19.99, and as you can see, it's very similar to the one from Walmart, except this one is a lot smaller. I originally bought this one to put it in my entryway table, but once I set it down, I felt like it was too small, so I was like, I'm gonna switch it out, and I'm glad I came across this one from Walmart. So this one is gonna go in the coffee section. I'm thinking maybe put it in this one here or something like that, and then adding a few like coffee, cream, and sugar little vases, which I saw this shop on TikTok, and they custom make your labels and your little vases. So I'm so excited. I just need to make up my mind on what I want. Also, if you guys notice on the back, we have two huge bean bags. I don't know if you guys have seen any of my previous vlogs, but upstairs we used to have two couches. We had one right here, and then we had one up against this wall that you guys are seeing, and we actually just sold those couches because Lincoln is getting big. He is pretty much a year and a half, and we were just worried that as time went by he would get curious, and right here you can literally jump off to downstairs, and it can be very dangerous. So we decided to, you know, go just be early on it and take everything off. And I told my husband, I was like, let's just get some bean bags. I think that's the safest thing to do. So I ordered these two huge bean bags from Amazon. I believe they were like 162 each. For everything, I think it was like $350 for both of them. They are huge, you guys. I decided to go with black because I got some other stuff that I will show you guys in just 1 second, but I love these. They're so nice. They're super comfy. My daughter has been sleeping on these for the past 2 nights, and she's like, Mom, they're really comfortable. So as you can see, you can comfortably sit an adult and a child with it. I can sit comfortable in it. They're really comfy, like I said, and I love them. They do have multiple colors, and they're pretty easy to clean. I mean, I haven't gotten them too dirty yet, so we'll see, but they extend within, what, like 2 days. So yeah, we just got those two. Maybe I'll get a third one in the future, like a small one, but for now, we just have that. And then I also ordered this little cube storage from Target. It was only $40, super, super cheap, and I decided to keep this almost like the play area room. We've been really lounging up here, and I love it. These baskets are also from Target. These are about $7 each. I do need to get another one, but in here I just have these, since they are like loose toys, and then I have these little like foam, what are these called? Foam something, I don't know, but I have them in here. I haven't decided what I'm going to add. I do need to get another one and put it in there. And then I got this cute plant from DD's, and then we just have a small little piano. I also got these new curtains. We had some of the ugliest curtains ever, you guys, and I found these at HomeGoods. These are so pretty. They're so light. They're very like sheer, but they add enough coverage, especially because we have blinds. These are so pretty. I love how they look. And then that curtain rod, we just had it for a while. From Target, I also got this like humongous lamp. It's a large lamp. Like, it's really, really big. And this one, I have it on my entryway table. And then on the bottom, I already had these baskets. I bought them from At Home. Don't remember the price because I've had them for like maybe 2 months now, but I saw this really cute pillow from Target the other day. I think it was like 20 bucks and it was perfect. So the color was perfect, and I threw it in there and I think it looks really cute. I just need to add pillows to the other basket, so we'll figure that out later on. So yeah, you guys, that is everything that I've gotten so far from Home Goods, mainly Target, Walmart, dd's, a little bit from everywhere. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite item was and if you love decorating, because I think it's so much fun. And if I had all the money in the world, I would go crazy shopping for decor because I just love it so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.